Mum!
Orisa, no, Sigma.
Orisa's low.
Hansa. Can we speed onto them?
We can TP on them. Right side of the point. TP to the right side of the point.
No shield
Contest the
down.
point. Turrets on point.
Okay, no shield. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Pulling hands off the high ground. Shielding into them.
Sigma no rock. And a no nade.
Freezing Orisa.
Orisa no fortify.
And
Sigma's got like no abilities right now.
Freezing May.
May no wall. No ice block either. Fuck this
Freezing
May.
Orisa. Orisa frozen.
Orisa dead.
-2 right now.
Hansa half HP.
May low, May low. I'm gonna die here.
is it winnable?
No.
Okay, that was a good try already.
They might be 70 to Hanzo. I'm not sure about anyone else there. Maybe like 70 to Blizzard too. Unless she didn't get any freezes off. And Sigma's
No,
on
she'll
fire,
be
so maybe
close, she'll be close.
72. Okay, let's go mid. Oh, alright, come back. I guess. I should have put shield down my best. Shield's 200, come back. Yep.
Ready to go.
Oh, can we TP right again?
Mhm.
Okay. Yep, shield's going down. Pass. Pulling back.
Focusing on Orisa right now.
What? They used Immortality.
Get that lamp, get that
For
lamp.
Immortality. Immortality dead. May 1.
Orisa no shield.
I'm frozen.
I'm not
Sigma's
surprised,
low.
I'm not surprised, I'm not surprised.
We're even. It's
Nano
5-5.
Sigma. May use block.
Sigma no rock.
Sigma shield dead.
No shield, no shield, no
You're
shield.
anti, be careful.
Freezing
Get the
Sigma.
Get the Sigma.
Sigma frozen.
Sigma first. Yeah. May no wall.
Hansa 1.
Get this May.
Is it winnable?
No, probably not. Oh, winnable.
Maybe it is.
I've got beat. Stay in this. Push
There we
this
go.
Risa.
May 1.
Get
Lamp,
this
lamp, lamp,
Risa.
lamp, 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 lamp.
I'm back in place.
Lamp. Now Risa. Still on the Orisa,
Orisa
still
use
on the Orisa.
Fortify. No.
Sigma,
Sigma no
Sigma.
suck. Sigma rock.
No rock.
Freezing Sigma.
Hansa right side, Hansa right
Hansa
side
on the
again.
right side.
Push his hands off. I've got you, Sigma.
I'm staying point.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can push, I'm staying.
Okay, they may just use no wall. You can push up.
They use dragons, but they might have it again. They use nano. They'll have supercharger. They might be 60 to blizzard. I'd say maybe 80 to dragons.
We can
And
push up,
back
they
to
got
stop
wall,
again.
wall.
Yeah, let's go. Can we push? A
You
little
don't
bit.
have speed. Be careful.
Yeah.
Drop supercharger on the corner though. You can still win this fight.
Freezing
Line of sight it. Line of sight it.
Oh, I took a push.
Huh?
That's it. My bad.
Okay, I'm speeding this back. Back.
They got no lamp, no lamp.
No, Orisa.
Get out, please, Sigma. May no wall. May's pushed up. May.
Back in place.
Okay, no ice block.
May,
We
no ice
collapse
block.
on this May now. Let's go. No? Okay, no balls. This is fine.
Pulling.
Sigma no rock.
Baptiste dead.
No,
Fast dragons.
no my ball.
Reset.
Pulling
Reset.
Sigma.
Let them use ults. Do not use ults.
Sigma dragons. They use
Swear
Baptiste. They'll be
earlier.
30 back to it.
So they'll have nano.
Nano supercharger.
I might die here,
blizzard.
I'm gonna die, sorry. Hansa low. Or weak.
Okay. We're actually gonna split here, please, people. NQ and Sigma. You're gonna go right side.
Alright.
Gotcha.
The rest of us push mid. Try and wall someone off,
Okay.
please.
3, 2, 1.
Let's
The
go.
wall.
Push on them. Keep pushing.
May 1.
May.
I'm not gonna
May
use
use
ult
block.
here.
They used immortality. Orisa's is really low. If you can break immortality.
Winnable. Both their supports will be running back if we regroup quickly. We've got this.
Top Sigma.
Stabilize, please, you two.
Sigma's water.
I got me.
Sigma's low. Sigma's low on the back.
I'm coming mid. I've got you. Amp and heals.
I'm back in 5.
Get the Sigma. Get the Sigma.
Sigma 1. Hansa dead.
I'm speeding you in. Push the Sigma.
They go heals.
Ooh.
Full back, full back, full back, full back.
Back up, back up, back up, back
No
up.
shield, no shield, no shield.
No immortality either. We can collapse on them.
That's more like it. Keep it up.
No,
Taxi,
they,
thank you, be careful.
did they have they used supercharger yet? They'll have superchargers.
No,
listed
right, we
in
push
there.
up with a really aggressive Sigma roll. I'm gonna speed you in. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
What's up?
Lamp,
They use
lamp.
immortality. So you swear.
Line of sight it, line of sight it.
They're all low, they're all weak.
Yep, it's fine.
Oh, not dead?
Drop, please, Sigma. We can heal you here.
We're -1, I think.
No pull. Get this May, please.
Main rise block.
I'm back in 5. Is it winnable?
No.
I'm wall off.
Yeah, if you
I'm
come
gonna
back,
die.
we'll have one more good fight.
Last push. We've got beat, supercharger, and wall. They use
They use
square.
square. Yeah,
Did they use supercharger?
I don't think so.
Okay, so they have it. They'll definitely
Nano.
have Blizzard.
Nano Blizzard.
I'm
Do they use
saving
nano,
beat for
actually?
Blizzard. You use coalescence as soon as you get it. Okay.
Yeah.
We're going high
Hanzo will
ground.
have out as well, and Sigma will be 80.
We're going high ground. NQ, I want you TPing with Sigma behind them, and I want you to drop wall. Oh fuck me.
That's fine.
Okay.
We'll just
Right.
just go as a group. Okay.
I can
Go,
touch.
Oh, God.
go. Sigma's alone. Sigma's alone. Okay, that's Sigma up.
Stack on
Hanzo
teller,
and
stack on
Sigma.
teller. Blah 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 blah
On
blah
point.
blah blah blah
Just
blah.
roll lamp, jump.
Main rise block.
Freezing Orisa.
Open heals. Stack on teller, please.
Push forward a little bit. No, no, I shouldn't have pushed there, sir.
Winnable,
nano
winnable,
Sigma?
winnable. Get the
Okay.
Sigma, get the Sigma, get the Sigma.
Sigma Nano, he'll be hard to kill. He's
Freezing Sigma.
Unlucky.
no tray.
Was a nice try already. The first point took a bit too long. We got picked way too early. I think NQ, you are getting picked most of the time. Like first or second in the fight. I want you to play like a backline DPS, and when your shields are down, you wanna keep on poking on their shields behind your own shield. You never need to split as a Symmetra. That was already a much better.
Sorry. Okay, people, group up, please.
Fighting.
I want this corner with the wooden box to be our kill zone, please. Rig it with turrets just like you won on Hollywood.
They got a Sonic arrow.
Reinhardt, Moira, Lucio, Zarya,
I
Hanzo.
go left side, I go left side.
Hanzo 1.
What's
Hanzo
that?
1.
Run.
Freezing Ryan.
Can we run into them?
Run.
They've lost a lot of damage.
Freezing Ryan.
Okay,
Run.
push the run low, run low.
I'm frozen.
Nice.
Sorry, not person
0 by
also.
1.
Pushing on the middle, on the middle.
Zaga.
Freezing Zarya. Zarya frozen.
This you?
I'm taxiing teller.
Doing the
I
might
got
be
Sonic, I
close
can
to
don't peek.
Reaper will be kind of
Play
close,
one shield,
like
play one shield.
50-60%. I don't know about anyone else. Hanzo died early.
Bless you. Thank you.
Let's see.
Okay, they've got Hanzo instead of Mei, so as much as they've got a lot of tank bursting potential with Reaper, they do not have the frontline control that we do, so we make the most of that, please. I want you using your walls really smartly on this Reinhardt.
Hold on.
Also go on top left, also go on top left.
Sorry, no.
Was it?
Sorry,
They
no.
have
bubbles.
Sorry, no
We
bubbles,
collapse
sorry,
on
no
them as soon
bubbles.
as They reach this corner.
They go right again.
Get this
Coming
Ryan.
Freezing Ryan. Ryan frozen.
Ryan.
Reaper. Saga, Zarya. Saga,
Sorry, no
cover.
personal. Sorry, no
Hands on
personal.
the high ground on the left. Be careful.
More no fade.
Speeding on them.
More
Speeding on
faded
them.
behind. You jump off map.
Okay, never mind.
There's a
Where's his
Hanzo
hands
for
are?
him. He's kind of far. You drop
Back up,
that
please, Sigma.
Nice.
Yeah, I just wanted to kill the Hanzo.
Supercharger. They'll have.
Call it.
they'll
We're gonna drop
have
Supercharger
Reaper
and push up with an aggressive Sigma ult. You call it, dude, and I'll speed you in.
They have coalescence as well.
I want you to
Coalescence
be
and
ridiculously
Reaper.
early as they're approaching us, please.
60 to beat. Maybe Shatter. 80 to
They've
grab.
got May now.
Tell me when you got pull again. We could do pull Sigma ult. Reaper
Reaper's
going
going
left
left side.
Again. Maybe they.
Sorry, no projected.
Yeah, Reaper might be setting up for Blossom.
Right, you ready? Push now. Now. Go.
side. Pull them.
On
Reaper
the third.
behind us.
Run.
Reaper
Run,
behind
run.
us. Freezing
Ryan
Reaper.
one. Is that it?
Said it.
May one. Lucy one.
Winnable still. Protect you, May.
Back on
Sorry,
like
huh?
15.
Sorry,
Back in 10
no.
now.
Freezing
Run
Zarya.
back.
Friendly.
We'll have her back right
Going
now.
around of a shield.
Sorry, one.
Freezing May. May frozen.
May one. Sorry, behind high charge. Sorry, no personal.
Get the May. Focus May.
There's a Reaper behind. Turn around and kill this Reaper, please.
Winnable. Is it still winnable? I don't think so. I'm gonna die here.
What
They
happened? Why
use-
did everybody go? Oh my god.
They used grab.
Reaper top
Oh,
right.
use your
Reaper top
return
right.
spell. Don't worry about it. Use your return spell.
Did they use
This
what?
one.
Did they use Shatter actually?
They did, but I,
Eagle
don't, I think they
strips,
have
yes.
it. They might have it again. I don't know.
Alright.
Oh, here just be close. Okay.
They definitely used grab.
Do we want to use
Maybe
wall
don't.
and attack them, or should we do it defensively?
Yeah, wall and supercharger. Use it like horizontally across the choke, and we just hold them real close.
Sorry.
Sorry, huh? Can we
Speeding in
speed
on them.
onto them?
Speeding in on them.
Watch out for Shatter. You might have Shatter.
Didn't scout that. My bad.
Unlucky.
Okay, they used Nade, they used Reaper, right?
May Reaper. They'll have Shatter again probably. Maybe like 80 to beat Reaper's high ground. I don't know
Okay.
what sorry will be on. Maybe 60.
They have no friendly Bobby right now. We can get the Rhine. We can get the Rhine for sure now.
Yeah, quick run shield.
Run Rhine.
Oh, now please.
Oh, she had grab. Okay.
Stop holding on to ults too long, please, people.
Can we contest?
No.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Run one.
I thought I didn't see us. Okay, but they use Shatter.
Okay, I'm getting stagger.
Don't stagger, just come back.
Holy crap, they got a lot closer.
They use Shatter.
Alright. Ryan's pushed up. They use Maywall. Can we speed on that?
Okay, let's go to wall.
Is everyone here?
This comp isn't meant to speed against Reaper May. We out-sustain them, remember.
Lucy one.
Oh.
Freezing Reaper.
Reaper.
You gonna
Reaper
flip?
no fade. Reaper right side. Reaper one.
Call it.
Reaper no
Maya
fade.
has no
Reaper
ice
fade.
block. Maya has no ice block.
Oh my god.
I'm swapping to Hammond.
I'll put turrets on the payload.
Freezing
No.
Ryan.
What a mess.
Freezing Zarya. Zarya frozen.
Into the touch?
No, can't touch.
Shit, my bad.
No, sure.
But the first